Hey, it's Joy here, and look at the new drawing in the Zodiac Princess family. This is Taurus. She's so cool and the perfect gift for Taurus Princess. The Taurus sign and the one of Zodiac astrology sign. Taurus is the first designed crochet princess in my collection of Zodiac Princess. You can find Taurus and other Zodiac Princess inside my Crochet Heart program, membership program, or in all my shop. The link in the description box below. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated. As other character inside the collection, Taurus clothes are also removable, so that if you get on the pattern in the collection, you can play around with the custom, like mix and match, and have fun.